Hello, this is Skibby, and today I got in a package that Brad made me buy. He said if I don't buy this, he'll disown me, which is strange because I'm not even his son. So that's weird. But I also wanted to comment on my dislike of Maytag, I guess. I don't know what happened. I know they're supposed to be good quality stuffs, but like that's not supposed to do that. Heckin' heating element. All annealed to crap. Anyway, that was a pain in the butt. But we are here to open up this knife that Brad forced me. He forced me. Even if he says he didn't, he forced me to get this thing. What is this? We got an ESEE sticker. Got a ESEE survival card. We got an ESEE how to use a sheath. Look at that. Another ESEE sticker. Now, also, I think I've said before, but these are my favorite boxes for knives to come in because they're no frills. Anyway, let's look at this thing. Oh, we need a knife to open a knife. As it should be. We're going to use the Remet B, of course, with the hidden stinger. Look at that. So, you know. Now, what's the knife that Brad of Brad's Journey forced me to get? Oh, it came with another survival card. So we got 2 survival cards. Nice. Same stuff. I think this is the ESEE PR4 Brown micarta. It's a lot thinner than I thought it would be. Those cuts are hefty. Seems fine. Oh, definitely 90 degrees spine there. And crunchy came out. P. Rollins, okay. Rowan. Made in the USA. I think it's called PR4 because it's 4 inches long in the blade area. So that's kind of nice. Nice little Kevlar design. Kevlar, you know what I mean. Yeah, man. Looking forward to trying this out. Fun grind lines. Head seems to be fine. It's definitely thinner than my other outdoorsy knife, which is a LT Wright with a broomstick handle. So we'll make them fight. That's actually pretty comfortable. These exaggerated grooves. So that's kind of nice. We'll see how it goes. Also made in the USA sheath. Just smells like Latigo. Nice. Well, thanks, Brad, for forcing my hand. Yeah, it's an okay knife. I will definitely try it out. I do wish it came with a dangler, but that's no problem. We'll fix it with a nice rainbow lanyard just for Brad and see how it goes. Sheath could use some oil. That's no problem. Can do that. Anyway, that's all I got, I guess. Some slight updates. I'm trying to learn how to sew, get ready for Renfest stuff. So I've got a hood pattern and I've got a trouser pattern that I still need to assemble. And then I've got a an Irish doublet. It's called an inner that I need to put together. And yeah, We'll go have some fun. Maybe in Oklahoma. Who knows? Anyway, I hope you guys are doing good, and I will catch you guys later. Goodbye.